In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to graph lemniscates. You're probably asking yourself, what on earth is a lemniscate? These are lemniscates. The general equations for these graphs come in these forms. We can see that if a lemniscate equation uses the cosine function, our graph will have a horizontal orientation. We say that this is symmetric about the polar axes. If the lemniscate uses the sine function, you can see that the graph runs diagonally. We say that it is symmetric about the line pi on 4. You may notice that the tips of the propellers are a distance of a units from the origin. Let's dive into an example. In this example, we're asked to graph the equation r squared equals 25 cos 2 theta. Since the lemniscate uses the cosine function, we know that the graph will have a horizontal orientation. Now, all we need to do is figure out a. Since the general equation of the cosine lemniscate is this, we can see that a squared is equal to 25. So a must be equal to 5. This means that we extend the propeller to the 5th circle on the polar plane. Simple enough? Let's dive into another example. In this problem, we're asked to graph the equation r squared equals 4 sine 2 theta. Since this lemniscate uses the sine function, we know that the graph will have a diagonal orientation. Now all we need to do is figure out a. Since the general equation of a sine lemniscate is this, we can see that a squared is equal to 4. By taking the square root of 4, we find that a is equal to 2. This means that we extend the propellers to the 2nd circle on the polar plane. Complete. That is how we sketch lemniscates. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.